Let's go face up. So one of the most common areas for whiplash is right at C4, C5. It's just a common flexion point. So those are, that's exactly where she's suffering from. So let's go ahead and get those. We'll start right here. Just relax for me. Nice and relaxed. Good. Good. And same thing here. Good. Double check that. And it feels good. So come on up. And go ahead and bring your feet around. And then just go ahead and turn from side to side for me. Good. This way. How's that feel?
Much better.
Good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tag, share with your friends. And we'll be back with plenty of more content. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot.